Hi everyone, good day. Today is Wednesday at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So we are here now at National Exhibition Center. This is the place where the 2026 FIFA World Cup games will be held on Friday. We are heading to the FIFA World Cup location. That will be the BMO field. Let's go! You can see that the CN Tower. So we'll check it out the location. It's gonna be fun here on Friday. Wow, they actually extended the location. Look at that. FIFA World Cup 2026. I think there will be 10 groups heading this location. Wow, that's a huge stadium. Look at that. Everyone is trying to get a picture of it. First time in Toronto. Okay, let's continue going around. I don't know if I can go inside. Maybe not, but just so you know the place. It's in National Exhibition Center. Maybe we can go inside. Look, if not, if we cannot go inside, at least you saw it. That's that's a location. Maybe I will come back on Friday. Friday will be the opening game between Toronto and Bosnia. Maybe we can get a free ticket here. Let's see. Wow, I don't see any open door to go inside. No door, no door, no door. But this is the Coca-Cola Coliseum. Maybe there's something going on inside. And it's so hot today. Around 30 degrees. Wow. No way you can go inside. Maybe we go here and buy some drinks because it's too hot. Okay, from this side, Yeah, it's not ready, but at least you know this is the place for Toronto, for the FIFA World Cup 2026. Okay, now you know where to go. Hey, good God.
Train traveling at high speeds will be passing through this station shortly. For your safety, please take note back to the yellow line. Un train terminant à Grande-Ville passe prochainement dans cette gare. Pour votre sécurité, veuillez vous tenir bien à l'écart de la ligne jaune.